Welcome to this video of how to maintain and troubleshoot your Sebo vacuum cleaner. Let's get stuck in. For our first step of making sure your Sebo vacuum cleaner is performing at its peak may well be a simple one, but it is one of the most effective, and it's changing the bag. So simply pull the handle up and lean the door down. Inside here we can see the bag. Now mine is pretty full, as you can see. To change the bag you simply pinch these two little buttons on the side and pull it off. Now you can throw that bag in the bin. If in here is dusty, it may be worth wiping it out with a damp cloth, but don't submerge this, and the same goes for in here. This filter in here can be replaced every few years. It doesn't need doing as often as with a bagless vacuum cleaner, and if it is just a little bit dirty, sometimes all it needs is a brush off with a stiff brush. To fit a new bag to this machine, line up the two arrows with the holder and push in just like so. Then lock the bag into the bottom and seal it in place just like so. Another really simple but really effective way of restoring the performance on your vacuum cleaner, whether it be a Sebo or any vacuum cleaner, is to clean the brush roll. Now with the Sebo it's really easy to remove the brush roll. You simply tip it on its side just like so and press this button just here. When you press that you can then pull out this side, which may take a little bit of wiggle, and now you can remove the brush roll. As you can see, mine is coated in hair, and I'm going to use the picket to remove this now. So I can simply get onto the hair, just like so, removing all of this nasty matted on hair without damaging the bristles or cutting the brush roll. Okay, so in under 30 seconds I have fully restored this brush roll. Now if the brushes are a bit worn, you can buy replacement brush rolls from Sebo. This should not need doing often and should be done only once every few years. To fit the brush roll back in, it is equally as simple as pulling it out. You simply push it in and twist it until it lies flat with the unit, and then line up the brush roll end cap just like so and push it down. And that's the brush roll fully clean, and all this hair has been removed with the picket in a matter of seconds. So that's a really quick and easy way to remove the hair. Okay, so flipping the machine over, I'm going to show you some of the most common blockages in the pipe. Now, Sebo have made it really easy to access the common blockage port. You simply lift up the flap here and you can remove the blockage. As you can see, I've got some hair jammed in mine. Check the hose on your Sebo vacuum cleaner for rips and tears by just pulling it out of the wand, and check that there's nothing jammed in the inlet. And you can also, by squeezing these two parts here and lifting this out, you can check that there's nothing in this part either. To clip this back in, you simply push this end in here and push the grey end back into the wand. And that now is the Sebo vacuum cleaner fully unblocked. Thanks for watching. I hope this has got your vacuum cleaner back in working order. If you've got any questions and this video has helped you, please drop a comment below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to drop a like.